Meaning of gas oil.
Gas oil.
Gas oil.
Gas oil.
Gas oil. Gas oil is a type of fuel that is derived from crude oil. It is commonly used in diesel engines and power generators because it has a higher energy density than gasoline. Gas oil is also commonly used as a heating oil for households and businesses. The quality of gas oil can vary depending on the refining process, but it generally has a lower sulfur content than other types of fuel oil. Gas oil is an important component of the energy mix for many countries and plays a significant role in the transportation and heating sectors.